Good evening. Let's make some Sigeumchi Namul.
So first we're gonna boil a pot of water enough to submerge your spinach in, and then we're gonna blanch this in high heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can stop cooking whenever you feel like it's soft enough to your liking, and then we're gonna rinse in cold water to first stop the cooking and also make sure there's no residual dirt left. And then we're gonna squeeze out all the excess liquid. I also like cutting my spinach once just to make them into more bite-sized pieces, but you can just leave it as is as well. Then we're gonna cut up some green onion. Then we're gonna crush and mince some garlic. You can leave bigger garlic pieces, but I personally don't like having big pieces, so I just mince them quite fine. And for seasonings, we're gonna add dark soy sauce. You can also use light soy sauce if that's what you have on hand. We're also gonna use some crushed roasted white sesame seeds, but this is optional since we're also gonna use whole roasted white sesame seeds. The crushed is more for flavor and the whole ones are more for crunch. And then some sesame oil. And also, guys, I do not actually measure whenever I cook. I'm gonna show you how much I put in visually. So just a quick 1-2, and then some of that crushed sesame seeds, and then a bit more liberal amount of whole sesame seeds since you're not really gonna taste them that much. Then with clean hands, we're just going to incorporate everything together, and then go ahead and taste it to see if it needs more seasoning or not. And make sure not to put too much seasoning at first because you can always add more later, but you can't take off excess seasoning.
잘 먹겠습니다. Oh yeah.